my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is another fabric haul. Let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do in today's haul is talk about this bag. Check out this bag. So I got this bag from my sister for my birthday. She crocheted this. And the crazy part is all of these little granny squares, if you're not familiar with crochet, these are all individual squares and then she sewed them together with yarn. I got her this like deck of granny squares that shows you how to make all these granny squares for Christmas. My birthday's in March. So she made this thing in less than 3 months. That is crazy. And then not only is the gift the bag, but, oh, I already busted these bags open to look at the fabric. But anyways, there's not one bag of fabric, but 2 bags of fabric. I know. Okay, so now we can look at the bag better. So there's like the handles and then the sides, and then she put this little button on it, and then this tag I got for her like a couple Christmases ago. And yeah, so I think she said there's like 30 granny squares. I was just impressed by the bag. And then there's also like spots over here that she left like a bigger hole, and she said I could like put a string through it to make it like tighter if I needed it to. Oh my God, people. Okay, so if you want to crochet a bag, I'll have the granny square thing linked down below. I don't know what else she did to make like the curves and stuff, but the bases of granny squares, and that's crazy. So that is so cool. Probably one of the coolest gifts I've ever gotten, because then it also had fabric inside of it. Okay, so this is thrift store fabric. This is Joann's fabric. Let's do the thrift store fabric first. Oh, and there's patterns in here too. Okay, so there are 4 patterns in here. Let me bring you a little closer. Hello there. Okay, so first pattern is this top. Then we have this blazer, some Christmas decor, and then a bunch of tops. So 4 patterns. Then we got fabric. I don't know what this fabric is. No clue. But there's this fabric. It's definitely not quilting cotton. I have no idea what kind of material this is. It's like more stiff than quilting cotton, but then it's also thin. So I'm not sure. This feels like flannel, but it's not. I don't think this is flannel. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. I think this might be cotton flannel. This is quilting cotton. Very strange piece of fabric. Look, it's just like one really long piece, but I can make a lot of jar openers out of this. And Christmas sells. Okay, this is like a valance, I think. I think someone was attempting to make a valance because it definitely looks like hand stitched on the back, like not from a store. Again, another good big piece of fabric. I'll probably unpick it. This piece here, I can get the ribbon off. There we go. Again, I'm not certain what this is. It says it's cotton. Dry cleaning recommended. So I'm guessing this is like an upholstery fabric. It is cut all crazy. So I'm not sure what to do with this guy. This one is quilting cotton, and it is a huge piece. Oh, there's one more pattern. This pattern. Joseph's coat quilt pattern. There's like a piece of paper. All right, then there's this little piece of fabric. Hold on, it's all cut funny. Look at this. It always cracks me up when I get a piece of fabric from the thrift store. I'm like, what did they cut this from? Like, what my words, what were they trying to make? Another long piece of quilting cotton. Again, great jar openers. Okay, this is definitely cotton flannel. Not sure what this guy is. He's just a big square. And this one's super cute. This is like an Easter quilting cotton. Again, a long piece. You know what? What is the measurement of this? 15 inches. I'm wondering if these long pieces were purchased half a yard. That's my guess of why there's pieces that size. Okay, let me be loud for a second. Okay, all of these guys are from Joann's, and I already knew about these guys because we talked about them on the phone. I was with her or virtually with her when she got them. These came from Joann's the day that they announced, or not the day of, like the weekend of the announcement of the store closing. Since then, every time I've been to Joann's, there's barely any remnants. It is so hard to get remnants. Okay, so this one is 0.889 yards, and it's like a, what is the word? A knit. That was the other thing that was hard on the phone with her, because she doesn't do fabric, was trying to explain like what quilting cotton is, and so I couldn't explain it very well. So this is knit fabric, which I don't usually use, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but it's super cute. I feel like if I make a jar opener out of it, it'll be too loose, like too stretchy. Okay, then we have two pieces of the same fabric. One is a yard, one is 0.75 of a yard. These guys are quilting cotton. This one's like locked up like Fort Knox. Good Lord. Okay. Quilting cotton. So definitely some jar openers, tissue pouches, wine bags. We've got two of them. This one's super cute. I like that it is trucks, but it's not branded. It's not Tonka trucks. It's just trucks. Okay, so this one is 0.778 of a yard, and this is quilting cotton. Oh, I have it upside down. My bad. Okay. This one is quilting cotton as well. This is 1 yard. Nice floral one. Okay. Then this is our last piece of quilting cotton. And this one is 0.611 of a yard. So all of these are pretty big pieces. I was trying to get pieces that were over a half yard and that were quilting cotton, which we did pretty good for trying to do it over the phone. The only one that's not is that carrot one. So, you know, that's very successful. Then we have 3 pieces of the same fabric. We've got a yard, 0.917, so almost a yard, and another yard. So this is a really good find. These are all quilting cotton. That is so cool. That is going to look so good as a jar opener, wine bag, tissue pouch, and I'll definitely be able to make a bunch of them. Okay, this one here is not for jar openers. So this one is purple gingham, 0.972 of a yard. This fabric is usually $14.99 a yard. I do not pay over $10 a yard. Absolutely not. So the fact that this was in the remnant bin, which means that it's 50% off, I was like, get that. That looks so cute. Look at all those little bows. Oh my God, this is adorable. What am I gonna make from this? I don't know. That's a great question. I would love to make an article of clothing. Like, I feel like I could make like 1 shirt or 1 pair of pants. Oh my God, imagine if I could make like a play suit, like shorts and a top. Oh, that'd be so cute. I don't know if there's enough fabric here. Maybe if I like pair it with something else. Anyways, I thought this was super cute. Definitely not worth $14 a yard. And then the last 3 we've got are all cotton flannel. These 2 guys are the same thing, and then this one is different. So this one is 0.72 of a yard. This is super cute. That will do very well as a reusable towel. And then we've got 2 pieces of the same thing, a yard and then 0.556. Again, these are gonna do so well when I make them into towels. And then we've got this pattern twice. So that is the haul. All of this fabric and the bag. I was so excited. Let me know what your favorite fabric is in the comment section down below. Let me know some of your ideas for the thrift store fabric. Let me know if you have a pattern that could work for this one. And I don't know what else I was gonna say. But anyways, please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.